Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. In today's video I wanted to show you how to make this baby wooden gym, so stick around. So the first thing that I started off with was taking a piece of 1x4, cutting it exactly in half, and then gluing the two halves together. That way, when this thing would dry and maybe change with the moisture content of the room it's in, the opposing grains won't twist and bind and make this thing look bad over time. So now that they're all dried, I'm going to go ahead and cut them to length. Then I'm just going to clean up some of the squeeze out of the glue with my wide chisel so that I can run it through the table saw to cut these in half. So for the center board, I'm going to give this 1-inch block a 1/2 inch round over with my router, then go over it with 150 grit sandpaper. Now I'm going to clean these up using a little hand plane and also round these over with the 1/2 inch round over bit as well. Next, a bunch of sanding, but we'll skip all that. Now I'm just going to trim these to all be exactly the right length. Now I'm just determining this angle by looking at it and coming up with what I think is a good spacing. I'm going to use a metal ruler to give me the angle from end to end, and then I'm going to cut that off on a miter saw. The next step is to make the hole for the screw to go through that's going to attach to the 1-inch dowel that I created. I'm going to drill a 1/8 inch hole for the screw. And then, since this is going to be around a baby, I wanted to use a finish that was going to be safe around them
And this simple finish by Maker Brand Co. is a really good finish that is safe. It's naturally been created, and it is also good for cutting boards, so I figured that would definitely be good for this. Now I'm just going to drill a 1/8 inch hole in the ends to receive the screw. Didn't want to end up splitting this, so this was a really important step. Now I've got these really long screws, but I got these plastic heads that came from some IKEA stuff I saved, and this just worked out perfectly to be able to hide the head of the screw. So this was for my sister, and she was going to add some rope between the two legs to keep them from spreading apart, and all I was going to do was just make some holes for her to put the rope through, and so she did that rope at a later time. And just like that, it's all done. Sister put the ropes in, and her new son is really enjoying this baby gym.
So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you maybe got something, or maybe was inspired to make something for maybe your young child or someone else's young child that you know in your family. But if you like this, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and to hit that subscribe button and a little bell icon, because every time I put a video up, you will get notified of my new video. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time here in the workshop.